Namaskar. I've got another sweet tooth to the recipe in this jaggery kadai katha English. So I will peel the raw mango, and will cut small segment around the seed. You can see this. And once done, it is done. Now we'll cut it into small segment, more smaller in this manner, so that the pieces are all even. Now we'll put it in the induction cooktop for boiling. Put little water. This is for the lunch, and little salt. After when it's boil, we'll when it becomes tender, we will add sugar. Checking the tenderness. We will roast fennel seed in this non-stick fry pan so that it gives a sweet flavor to this, and we'll grind it. I have taken a kadai, put mustard oil and a red chili whole, put little mustard seeds. When it starts crackling, we'll add turmeric and all the mangoes which has been boiled with water in this particular kadai. You have to stir it little bit. This water is just enough for 2 people as a last dessert dish. Little more water. Now we'll cook it and add enough sugar so that this is not that sour, but it is sweet, and little ginger paste and the roasted fennel seed which has been powdered. I'll put it for presentation in a serving container. You can see how beautiful it looks, and it is so tasty as well. During summer we generally make this recipe. Please like, share, subscribe my channel. See you in the next recipe.